washona kanjani-ke uMthembu, kanti-ke uManzimande water ubovu. uMamZobe ufisa ngisho ukubaleka, kanti uGabisile endlini yakhe uzobona ngentambo ekhombisa ukuthi umkhokha ukhona ufuna-ke ukumthatha. Hello everyone, welcome back to Singane Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 10th to the 14th of February 2025. On Monday, Gabisile finally frees herself from all the secrets she's been harboring. The Mthembus are shocked by the result of the autopsy, and Mazungu shares a piece of information with Mapaya that leaves him taken aback on Tuesday. Gabisile confesses about what MamZobe made her do. Lwazi stand up for Gabi. MamZobe is ready to make a run for it to avoid punishment on Wednesday. The Mthembu family faces a shocking revelation that will change their lives forever. Gabisile's world crumbles as her darkest secret is exposed, and in the shadows, prophets foresee a catastrophic destiny unfolding on this day. The Mthembu's world is turned upside down while MamZobe and Gabi battle with their past, and husband does the unthinkable on Friday. Mthembu appears to Mabosi with a warning regarding the search for Mzobe's body. Gabisile, weighed down by guilty, questions her place in the family while a fiery confrontation between Mazungu and MamZobe erupts. Well guys, that is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.